Today's Takumi is Kimihiro Nozawa. 15 years after coming up with the idea, Nozawa succeeded in creating the world's first automatic toilet paper fabrication machine. This is the machine. It is small enough to fit comfortably in an ordinary office. So, what is the toilet paper made of?
It's made of shredded office paper.
Really? You can really turn this into toilet paper? Paper is typically the largest source of waste material in an office. Shredded paper like this is placed in the machine. Press the start button, and in just 30 minutes, a roll of toilet paper pops out. Here's how it works. First, the paper is dropped into water and spun until it breaks apart. The resulting liquid is spread out into a thin sheet and dried. This dried paper is wound into toilet paper rolls. Why did you decide to make this machine?
We were the first company in Japan to develop and produce paper shredders. But most shredded paper is simply incinerated. Incinerating paper costs money and emits CO2 in the process. I thought there must be a better way.
Nozawa still has the first machine he used 15 years ago during the initial development process.
This was our test machine.
This is it?
Yes.
But it's a washing machine, an ordinary washing machine. With this washing machine, Nozawa perfected the balance of paper and water and the length of time they needed to be mixed.
We initially made regular recycled paper, but I thought that if we could make the paper thinner, we'd have toilet paper.
A major challenge during the development process was keeping the machine small. Nozawa initially contacted a company that designs paper-making machines. But the blueprint they came up with was for a machine 20 meters long. Nozawa couldn't see a future for such a large machine. For a time, he gave up on the project. But Nozawa couldn't let go of the idea that he might be able to make a better machine. He consulted a professor at Gunma University.
When I first heard the idea, it amazed me. It was an environmentally friendly concept. And his determination to make a smaller machine was also very moving to me.
With help from this professor, Nozawa figured out a way to make a smaller machine by adjusting the proportion of water and paper. Together, they made the first prototype. This is the very first toilet paper they produced. It's very coarse. We can't really say it's a toilet paper yet. 4 years after making the first prototype, Nozawa completed the current design. The only things the machine needs are shredded paper, water, and 100 volts of electricity. It consumes about as much power as an air conditioner. Nozawa holds 4 patents for the machine in Japan. Buyers from other countries have also shown interest in the product.
I was able to shrink the size of the machine by simplifying the paper-making process. For example, I took out the bleaching process, and I recirculated the water. People told me I was crazy, that it wouldn't work, but I pulled it off.
What does manufacturing mean to you?
For me, manufacturing means making your dreams a reality by believing in yourself.
And here are the Takumi's words of wisdom. People told me that it wouldn't work, but I made my dream a reality by believing in myself.